Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Gothamist notes that the New York Stock Exchange snapped up Carrier's system in 1902, becoming the first building to be air-conditioned just for comfort. Carrier improved on the system with every new application, from the Rivoli movie theater on Broadway, air-conditioned in 1925, to Madison Square Garden.
Take our lead.
1960s. By the late 1960s, most new homes had central air conditioning, and window air conditioners were more affordable than ever, fueling population growth in hot weather states like Arizona and Florida.
Let's help you make your mark.
1930. Smaller air conditioning units appear on trains in 1930. The Baltimore and Ohio Railroad tests a unit designed by Willis Carrier on the Martha Washington, the dining car on the Columbian, running between Washington, D.C. and New York.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The first air conditioner, designed and built in Buffalo, New York by Carrier, began working on the 17th of July 1902. Carrier used his knowledge of the heating of objects with steam and reversed the process. Instead of sending air through hot coils, he sent it through cold coils filled with cold water.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.